Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. Today in this video I'm going to tell about the swapping of the SafeMoon to SFM. So as you know, SafeMoon has started its swapping to SFM. Then according to this Gate.io just completed the listing of SFM and started the swapping of SafeMoon to SFM. So, before starting this video, please do like, subscribe, and share my videos. And also, if you are a new user on Gate.io, you can sign up by link given in the description section. Okay, so let's start the video. As you can see here in the heading, Gate.io is completed SFM SafeMoon token swap. Okay, and will list SFM. So here you can see, according to SFM SafeMoon announced that SafeMoon has started token consolidation and swap. Okay, Gate.io has completed the task swap. Okay, and will start trading on the new token. So, SafeMoon, the token was named SafeMoon. It's a new name SFM. It will be swap. Okay, here you can see the ratio of swap. If you are having 1,000 SafeMoon tokens, then it will be converted in one SFM token. Okay, same. If you are having 10,000 SafeMoon token, then it will be converted in the 10 SFM tokens. New token contract detail is given here. It will be also mentioned in the description section. You can find over there. And same thing, Gate.io will commence new SFM token trading on 17th January. It mean it will start from tomorrow. Like I can also say it will start tonight 2 a.m. So new SFM token will use the ticker SFM. Okay, SafeMoon is going to swap in SFM. SafeMoon and SFM is not so different thing. Just this is a new symbol of SafeMoon. SFM is the new symbol of the SafeMoon. Simply, SFMs are going to swap in. SafeMoon are going to swap in SFM token. So here's the important notice for this activity. After this token swap, the value of new SFM token would be 1,000 that of the old SafeMoon token. Without considering other factor that might impact the price, please pay close attention to the price when you are placing any order. So it is announcement from the Gate.io that you have to pay attention if you are trading on the SFM, and you have to pay attention on the price of SFM. You have to be clear that SafeMoon and SFM difference. After the clearance, you can trade, you can buy your tokens. So after this swap, Gate.io will support the new SFM token only. After that, this activity, SafeMoon, the token which name is SafeMoon and symbol was also SafeMoon, it will be no longer available on the Gate.io. Only new listed token which name is SFM will be available. So don't deposit old SafeMoon tokens to Gate.io, as old SafeMoon tokens transfer is now charged for 100% tax by its protocol. So here is a very important news if you are trying to convert it. So I will share link also from where you can directly move on the page of new SFM to avoid some any glitch. To learn more, the link has been given here and also it is mentioned in the description section. You can directly negotiate on this link. You can copy and paste this link in browser and the page will be open where you can read complete details. Hope this information is very helpful and this information will save your money Please be careful when you are buying the SafeMoon or trading in SafeMoon. Old SafeMoon will not be available on the Gate.io further, and new SFM token can be used for the trading on SafeMoon. So, thank you all for watching the video.